Fitting the Scotia bead is quick and easy. First of all, you need to remove all of your packs. Then you're going to have to cut your Scotia bead down at 45-degree angles so it meets in the corner. And you want them to meet nice and tight in the corner there. So I'm going to cut them at 45 by using a hacksaw blade and this little mitering block. That fits into that corner. And then you get your opposite one, cut that down at 45. Perfect, just like that. Now I'm going to take a pen and just do a very faint line above the top of the bead whilst it's loose. Then apply some adhesive just below the line. This will hold the bead into position so you won't have to tack or nail it down. Now the reason we apply the glue to the skirting board and not the floor is so the bead sticks to the skirting board, and that allows the floor to move if it does happen to expand at any point. Then where the beads meet, you can cut them on a fraction of an angle to create a scarf joint. For the full how-to video, go to our YouTube channel. The link's in the bio.